Hey, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, and this is another quick tip. The newly redesigned Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is equipped with the industry's first power up and down tailgate, so let's go over the 3 convenient ways to get the gate up and down. The first is the key remote. To drop the gate, tap this button twice, and to bring it back up, you just hold the button until it's all the way up. There's also a button on the center stack inside the cabin. To lower it, you push it, and to raise it, you hold the button down until the tailgate is all the way up, just like on the key remote. The third and simplest way is the button on the actual tailgate itself. Push it to bring the gate down, and then simply just push it again to bring the gate back up. Quick and easy. That's all 3 ways to use the power up and down tailgate on the new Silverado 1500. If you want more information on the redesigned Silverado, check out our in-depth review, and stay tuned for more quick tips.